Anesthesia is a state of temporary induced loss of sensation or awareness. It includes analgesia, paralysis, amnesia, and unconscious. Next one is anesthetic. Drugs that cause anesthesia. Now we will discuss about the classification. It is classified into three headings. That is general anesthesia, second one is spinal anesthesia, third one localized anesthesia. Local anesthesia. Local anesthesia produces loss of sensation without inducing a loss of consciousness. This is a temporary anesthesia. A local anesthesia drugs work by blocking sodium channels. So it means जो टेम्परेरी बेसिस पे एनेस्थीसिया दिया जाता है उसे कहते हैं लोकल एनेस्थीसिया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट लोकल एनेस्थेटिक यूज्ड वाज कोकेन. फर्स्ट लोकल एनेस्थेटिक कौन सा था? कोकेन. लोकल एनेस्थीसिया कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू फोर कैटेगरीज, दैट इज surface anesthesia, infiltration anesthesia, nerve block and field block. Surface anesthesia are available in various ways like jelly, spray, cream, etc. These are used to desanitize any area of skin as well as the front of the eyeball, inside of the nose and ear or throat, and the anus and the genital area. This is commonly used where it will be used laryngoscopy, in bronchoscopy, incision of boil, cystoscopy, etc. Next, infiltration anesthesia. Infiltration anesthesia is defined as administration of local anesthetic solution. This is used as intradermally, subcutaneously across the nerve path that supplies the area of the body that requires anesthesia. Local anesthesia agent is injected beneath the skin to be incised. So, infiltration anesthesia, the anesthetic drug is injected fan-wise, which requires minimal needle pricks and the point of needle is kept moving. It means कि जब हम इसमें एनेस्थीसिया देते हैं तो इसमें निडल को कंटिन्यूसली मूव करते हैं. लाइक यहाँ से निडल को प्रिक करा, यहाँ से एनेस्थीसिया दिया, देन इसकी साइड चेंज करके यहाँ से दिया, देन यहाँ से दिया. मतलब कि एक सर्कुलर मोशन में जो एनेस्थीसिया हम देते हैं उसे कहते हैं हम इनफिल्ट्रेशन एनेस्थीसिया. ओके. तो इनफिल्ट्रेशन एनेस्थीसिया, this is performed for minor operative procedures such as suturing of lacerations, polyp, cyst, extraction of tooth. Next one is nerve block. A nerve block is a method of producing anesthesia by inhibiting impulse transmission in a nerve. मतलब कि nerve block technique requires greater accuracy and profound knowledge of anatomy. But there is a difference. Infiltration anesthesia में we are discussing about the technique is easy, does not require much anatomical knowledge. But in this nerve block, we require greater accuracy and profound knowledge of anatomy. It is also so. This is nerve block, root in nerve, where we will gives anesthesia. This is root nerve, and this is surgery site, जहाँ पे हमें सर्जरी परफॉर्म करनी है. उससे पहले जो रूट नर्व है वहाँ पे हमें एनेस्थीसिया देना है. So next one is field block. In this type of anesthesia, spread of local anesthesia solution is made across the path of nerve supply. The operation field by injection. This anesthesia can only be performed where the anatomy of operating field permits. So let's discuss about the local anesthesia indication. Minor surgery. कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करेंगे इसको? माइनर सर्जरीज में वेयर द लाइफ ऑफ द पेशेंट मे बी एंडेंजर्ड बाय अनकॉन्शियसनेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the patient is suffering from cardiac pathology, neurologic disorder and COPD, where skilled anesthetist is not available, for example remote areas. Next is contraindication. Contraindication, sepsis or infection near the field of injection. So सेप्सिस, वहाँ पे इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है जहाँ पे हम इसको इंजेक्शन दे रहे हैं. नॉन कोऑपरेटिव एंड साइकोलॉजिकली इंस्टेंट patient like child, mentally retarded, etc. And patients have allergy to local anesthetic drugs, तब भी नहीं दे सकते हैं. The adrenaline containing a local anesthetic drug should not be injected at the sites which have and arteries, finger, toes, tip of ear, nose, etc. The local anesthesia, that is lignocaine,